Hello and welcome to episode 3 of South Africa's Death and Taxes. I'm Andre Botman. So we're looking at Tax 101, tax year, and the meaning of tax year, which we can also refer to as the year end and we're looking at tax year or year end, or also known as the year of assessment. Normally we have a calendar year, and a calendar year is just the 1st of January of any specific year, which runs until the end of December, the 31st of December. However, a tax year is different. The tax year in South Africa runs from the 1st of March of a specific year to 28th of February of the next year. So this is basically 12 months, or if it's Feb 2020, 2020 would be a leap year, so that would be 29 February 2020. And like I said, so we've got the 2019 tax year. So when I refer to the 2019 tax year, I specifically mean the year ending 28 February 2019. Or if I'm referring to the 2020 tax year, I'm referring to end of February, 29 Feb 2020. Okay, so that would be the 2020 year end is ending 29 February 2020. Okay, and so for individuals or natural persons, as the Tax Act refers to us, we have a February year end or a tax year that ends at the end of February. Most trusts also ends with a February year end, but companies can have any specific year end. So a school, their financial year or their year end or tax year might start the 1st of January and run up until the end of December. So different entities will have a different type of year end, but most entities will have a year end or year of assessment or tax year, which runs from 1st of March until 28 or 29 of February. And why is that? Well, our finance minister at this stage, it is Tito Mboweni. He has his budget speech, or he gives a budget speech in the third week of February of every year, and the next one will probably be around the 21st or 20th of February 2020, and so the month immediately after the budget speech starts on the 1st of March. And then that would be the next financial year. So the budget speech isn't happening in December, and then we don't have a year end that runs from 1st of January until 31st of December. So just again, the calendar year is obviously 1st of Jan until 31st of December, but the tax year refers to March, 1st of March until 28 February, and the 2020, when I refer to the 2020 year end or tax year or year of assessment, that means ending February 2020 or at the end of February 2020. Well, I hope that was helpful. It can be a bit confusing, but I hope that makes sense. Please like or subscribe, leave a comment if you want to. Yeah, and have a nice day.